guys, Expert Dan here once again with another video. Guys, are you ready to look at this? You ready? Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Yeah. What? Okay. What was that? Okay. As you could see, we start off with the tiny fireworks sparklers, the little TNT poppers, if you can see that. And then, you just go off right here with this one. Then, you go off with this one, that one. You go that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Also that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And then they keep going. But you guys know, we're gonna start off little, medium, 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 big, big, just huge. So, you guys, better watch my videos because it's gonna be crazy tonight. 4th of July, folks. Woo! So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Expert Dan out.